Hi there and welcome to our tip and trick for today. Today I will talk about how to create a block in AutoCAD. I'll give you some tips and tricks and some recommendations that you have to do it while you are creating your block. So here you can see that I have a door. This door is 900 millimeters. All the objects of the door are here in this layer, doors. So before creating the block, it's recommended to keep this layer as your current layer. How to create the block now? You can use this icon. It's in Home, in Block, and here, Create. Also, the shortcut is B and Enter. Now, let me select a name, door, and I'll type 900 as it is 900 millimeters. Now you have to select your objects. So I'll say select objects. These are my objects and enter. If you would like to convert the current objects into a block, you will select this option. If you want to keep separate lines and arcs, so you can later on turning them into a block, you can use retain. And if you want to create your block, but you need this door to be deleted from the screen, select delete. For me now, I'll select convert to a block. A very important point, please pick a point for insertion. This is your base point. If you didn't select your base point, AutoCAD will select it for you. It will be the origin point. So when you are going to insert your door, you can see that, yes, it is inserted, but you have to go and search where it is in my screen. So please go to pick point. I can pick this corner of this rectangle as if you are going, let's say that I need to insert that door later on. So if you are going to insert it, you have to insert it from this point because this point will be the connection between the door and the wall. So let me select it. What else? My block unit is millimeter. So the block unit is millimeter. And this block is having this option, allowing exploding. So later on, if you want to explode it, if you want to turn it from a block to be separate lines and arcs, so you can do it. So I'll keep this. I'll say okay. So before I say okay, please don't forget. Give it a unique name. Use selection to select your objects, convert to a block, or retain or delete, and pick point is very important. When I say okay, here we go. If you would like to insert it later on, let's say that I delete it from here or I need to insert it one more time, you will find it here in insert. This is my door. I can click here. It will be inserted using the point that you selected. Here we go. That's it. That's it for today. And tomorrow you will have another tutorial. Thank you so much. See you.